Hi friends, so this video shows how to increase internal storage in your Redmi smartphone. So let me go to settings. So in settings, go to the storage. So here there you can see internal storage, it is 8 GB. In 8 GB, 7.08 GB is already used. Okay, so here you can see there is one SD card in this smartphone. Its size is 16 GB. So I am going to add this 16 GB in this internal storage. So total 24 GB. We will get total 24 GB as internal storage after we add this SD card as internal storage. So that is what I am going to do. So tap on this SD card, then tap on these three dots, then tap on storage settings. Then here you can see format as internal. So if you tap on this format as internal, it will format the SD card, then it will add it as a internal storage. Let me tap on that, then tap on erase and format. So now it started formatting. Please wait. Don't remove your SD card. You have to add faster SD card to get the better form of performance. Okay. So let me tap on OK. So you can select move now if you want to move some data from your internal storage to this new SD card, or if you don't want now, you can tap on move later, then tap on next, then tap on done. So now we have increased our internal storage. Now you can see now it's showing 23.72 GB, around 24 GB it's showing. Now we have successfully increased internal storage of this phone. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel, please like and share the video. So if you want to go back and if you want to use this SD card as normal external storage, tap on this SD card and tap on these three dots, then tap on format as portable. So if you tap on format as portable, it will remove this SD card from internal storage. After that you can use this SD card as external storage. Again, if you want to move some data to this SD card, you can use this migrate data option. So that way you can move some data from your internal storage to this SD card. It will automatically move. Okay.